monitor-mounted scanner holder. Remove the VESA mounting plate from the monitor arm via the slider knob. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws securing the monitor to the VESA mounting plate. Place monitor scanner holder along the area between the monitor and the VESA mounting plate. Monitor with a recessed VESA. If the monitor being equipped has a recessed VESA mount area, please install the spacer plate into the recessed slot before placing the scanner holder into position. Using a Phillips screwdriver and the provided 4 screws, secure the monitor mount to the VESA mounting plate. Secure the mounted monitor to the monitor arm via the slider knob. The scanner holder should be positioned in a manner where the U portion is facing upward and the bend portion is towards the rear.